Hey guys, it's John V here with PhoneArena, and this is a quick hands-on look at the Sony SRS-XB41. I probably know what you're thinking already. Bluetooth speakers, they're kind of dying, especially nowadays when we have these smart speakers that help us do a lot of stuff, but don't count out this one because there's a lot of cool stuff with it. Well, it really doesn't have the most original design. Honestly, it looks pretty generic. When you think of a Bluetooth speaker, this is what they look like. It's a rectangular thing that has this mesh-like covering all around it. But to Sony's credit, it does feature an IP67 certification, so it is water and dust proof. And you're probably wondering why that's the case. You're not going to really use it underwater, but instead, if you use it outdoors and it somehow gets dirty, you can quickly rinse it off without worrying about it being compromised. Now, the SRS-XB41 was made for partying, and let me tell you why. First of all, the audio performance. It's really deep and powerful, especially at the loud volume settings. It definitely has a lot of substance behind its backing. Secondly, you have this live sound mode. You'll experience the feeling of basically listening to your favorite tunes live. It's not for everyone, but it is there if you prefer that kind of style. And lastly, it has LEDs throughout the speaker that light up accordingly to the music. It really enhances the immersion of listening to music, and all of these are just reasons why it's made for partying. But you know what? The fun doesn't end there because there's still a lot more that this speaker can do. First of all, it features NFC for quick and painless pairing. Secondly, it has battery life that's rated for up to 24 hours with usage. There's also a USB port on the back so you can charge your other devices. You can also choose the color of the LEDs using the Fiestable app. And finally, you can even have more fun with Party Booster because this speaker essentially becomes an instrument. You basically tap on different areas and it makes different sounds. The $250 price tag of the Sony SRS-XB41 might be a tough sell for some people, but given all the packed features that accompanies this portable speaker, it certainly does make for a convincing package. So if you guys want to learn more about the Sony SRS-XB41, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.